Welcome, here I've got XIAOMI Poco M3 Pro and let me show you how to manage camera watermarks at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can get access to more options about camera we can manage. Now let's move to left side and tap to settings to open them, and here at the first page we have watermark option, so let's pick it. Here we are. Now we can add to our photo 3 types of watermarks. The timestamp and device watermark we can easily turn on by using these 2 buttons from the right, and also turn off. As you can see, we can add just one of this or both at the same time. And let's move to the custom. Here we can add our own watermark, but this is connected with device 1. When it's turned off, the custom is locked, so we have to keep it turned on. Now when we tap on it, we can add here, for example, hard reset, and save it here from the right. So let me keep turned on all of these watermarks now. Let's move back to camera to take a photo. To see it, now we have to tap to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is my photo with watermarks at the bottom. From the left we have Poco M3 Pro 5G watermark device 1 with hard reset, the custom one, and from the right we have timestamp. And of course, when we don't need it or need another composition with that, we have to move back to camera, right corner options, left settings, tap to watermark, and manage this as we need or just turn them off. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.